Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Taylor County in West Georgia, Crawford County in Central Georgia, Peach County in Central Georgia, until 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Reynolds, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wide damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Reynolds, Knoxville, Roberta, Musella, Fort Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.